What is the value of being a member of Wright Pat Credit Union?
While this special patronage dividend of over $3 million is certainly one value returned to members in 2008, the true value is long-term and goes much deeper than that. In fact, in 2007, the Credit Union National Association estimated that Wright Pat Credit Union returned more than $25 million in direct financial benefit to its member owners. That's more than $310 per Wright Pat Credit Union family and more than $1,000 per high-use Wright Pat Credit Union family. The value of Wright Pat Credit Union is seen in dozens of small ways. The money you save on a mortgage loan or on a checking account, the way we help folks save money, build their wealth over time, save money when they purchase a new car or send their children to college. It's all because of the not-for-profit, member-owned philosophy of Wright Pat Credit Union that says members come first, and that's the difference.